Hey y'all, real quick job here. We got a 2003 Isuzu NQR, the multifunction switch, for the windshield wipers and the engine brake broke off. Common problem on these. They're right on the bottom of the steering column, but it needs replaced, so we're gonna do it, and I'm gonna bring you along. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. Alright y'all, what we got working on today is 2003 Isuzu NQR. The issue is the windshield wiper and engine brake lever has broke off. Kind of common with these because you work them off the hand there off the steering wheel. Your knee can come up and break them off stuff. So to get started here, need to pull this steering wheel cover off. There's no screws in it. Underneath there are a couple little tabs. Push it up. I'm going to pull the horn fuse out. I'm not sitting there blowing the horn, but gonna do that. And then we got to take the cover off the steering wheel down here, the steering column. There's just 3 screws. That one down there is missing. There's one up here, and there's one over here. There's just Phillips head screws. We'll get them out, and we got to pull the steering wheel too, but it's a relatively easy job. So let me get the horn cover off, and we'll get to pulling that steering wheel. All right, y'all, I got you kind of propped up. All right, y'all, seem to get that pop on there. She popped up. Knock my light and everything off. So all right, got that off. We're gonna pull them screws out of that, and we'll bring you back after we get this cover off of here. All right, y'all, we got this steering column all off here. Now the only thing is there's 4 screws, 2 here and 2 over here. Pull those up and that'll come off. And then we got to trace these wires down, go all the way down here, all the way down in here into this little block right here. And once I get the zip ties cut, I'll be able to see which ones exactly are for it. So we'll get that done. All right, y'all, we got that old switch out, and the hardest part about the whole thing was getting this plug out, because there's just a little teeny area to push on, and I'll show you where it's at. It's all the way back over in there. You guys can't probably see very well. That one all the way over there. Ended up having to go in with a pick on the back side over there and push the button in, and then on this side use a flat bladed screwdriver to get it popped up out of there. But we got her done. So yeah, it's in there, so, or it's out of there. Getting it in will be easy. So, and that's what it looks like after you get it off. There's where them 4 screws just go in. They're just little Phillips head screws. So I'm gonna put a little bit of blue Loctite on them and make sure they don't come loose, and we're gonna put this thing back together. I'm not gonna show you doing that. This is a fairly easy job. So yep, there it is. Just got to reroute it, wires down through there, and get everything plugged in and put back together. All right, y'all, got it all on there. I did test it all. Everything works. Only thing I got to do is put the zip ties back around going down through. The only other thing I'm going to do is, this is your horn button here. There is a little ball, roller ball on the end of that, but I'm going to take a little bit of Dialect grease, just a small film, put around there just to make sure that it, it don't hang up and don't break or anything. So that's it. And then I'm going to throw the steering wheel back on, make sure the wheels are facing straight forward, and I'll put it back on, and then bring you all back. So yeah. All right, y'all, got the steering column all put back together down there, got the screws in her. And last thing to do, take our steering wheel. Trying to do this one-handed here, kind of make sure she's straight. There she goes. She's starting down on there. I need both hands to push down straight on it, but yeah, we'll get that all put together. So I'll get that down, get the nut on it, get it torqued to factory spec, and bring you back. All right, y'all, got this horn cover back on, and I took her for a little test drive before I put the horn cover back on, in case I had to pop the steering wheel back off, make sure the steering wheel was straight. It is straight, and I just wanted to show you guys. This is an 03, 100,795 miles. So this thing is in really good shape for the year and mileage. So I love this little thing. We got 3 of them actually here now, and these things are wicked for the size of them. Horsepower, you know, they can carry a whole lot of weight, and they turn on a dime. This is actually a dump truck, little like 2-ton dump truck, and it turns sharper than a pickup truck. So it is awesome. So love these things. All right, y'all, there you go. How to change a multifunction switch in a 2003 Isuzu NQR. It goes the same for all these basically body styles. Just pull that steering wheel cover off and pop the steering wheel off, pull the column cover off, a couple of plugs, a few screws, easy peasy. If you weren't filming, you could probably do it in a half an hour. It's not real hard. So appreciate y'all watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll check you all on the next one. Have a great day.